Chaffanie Naycole here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my little digital space where I teach you how to use your iPad and increase your iPad productivity. In today's video, I'll be showing you this little trick that will save you time when numbering your calendar. If this is your first time numbering your calendar, I do have a more detailed video that explains how to number your calendar, and I will link it in the description box. So we're going to start off with copying and pasting to our calendar, and then we're going to just resize all of our numbers at the same times to make sure they're all consistent. Now we're going to zoom in and start placing the numbers in the desired location, and make sure that you do place all 31 numbers. Even if you're working on a calendar that has less than 31 days, still, for the purposes of what we're trying to achieve, I want you to go ahead and just trust me and place all 31 numbers down. And I'm also using the color changing numbers that you can find in my Etsy shop, and I will link those in the description box. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when I do upload new videos. So now that we have all our numbers placed, we're going to lasso around all of the numbers, and then we're going to add them to elements. You're going to create a new collection, and you can name it calendar numbers or anything of your choice. Now when we go to date our calendar, we already have them placed where we want them. So we don't have to do them one by one anymore. We can just do them in groups, and it's going to save you so much time. So now I'm going to take some numbers and just start placing them. Now you see that I don't have to do it one by one. I'm literally going in groups and just placing them. And I'm actually going to do this in real time so that you see how long it'll take you to do this process. And that is it, guys. I think this cuts the process down, in my opinion, a lot. It only took me, I think, maybe a minute or two to do this, if that. But yeah, that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye y'all.